For the last 4 years, the Biden White House has been infected with a terrible disease, the deliberate, calculated deception of the American people and the man with his finger on the nuclear button. And now we're seeing the legacy media has been complicit in the media cover-up.
Start your tape right now, because I'm about to tell you the truth. This version of Biden is the best Biden ever.
She knows so long as
I think he's better than he's ever been.
President Biden has a photographic memory.
He is sharp, intensely probing, and detail-oriented and focused. Age is an asset.
He showed exactly how with it he is.
Jackie, are you here? Where's Jackie? I didn't think she was going to be here.
We've just learned President Biden is fighting aggressive stage 4 prostate cancer that's already spread to his bones. As Christians, we pray for his recovery, but also we need to be asking the hard questions. How are we just now hearing about this? It can take years for prostate cancer to reach stage 4. The president is kept under watchful eye of doctors and undergoes routine exams. In February 2024, the president's personal physician, Kevin O'Connor, released this statement declaring Biden fit to serve, describing him as physically healthy and robust. Remember Biden's incoherent debate performance in June when he seemed lost and confused? The week after, the Biden White House dismissed questions of a cognitive decline and assured us Biden had a clean bill of health.
The president has regular annual physicals that we release in a thorough report. We're going to continue to do that. I don't have anything else beyond that.
So was the last time he was seen by a doctor then in February?
I just don't have anything beyond that, beyond the question of a neurological exam.
According to the new bombshell book, Original Sin, by CNN's Jake Tapper and Alex Thompson, behind closed doors, this is what staffers were discussing.
Part of the book says, quote, Biden's physical deterioration had become so severe that there were internal discussions about putting the president in a wheelchair, but they couldn't do so until after the election. So politics over the health of the president. Wow.
The Democrats pushed a sick, elderly man, physically and mentally declining, into the most consequential position in the world, while blatantly lying to the American people for political power. Here's what's really outrageous. The only person who was honest about Biden's health was none other than Joe Biden himself. Here he is in 2022.
You know what was happening? You had to put on their windshield wipers to get literally the oil slick off the window. That's why I and so damn many other people I grew up have cancer.
You heard it. The president admitted he has cancer, and the media dismissed it as just another Biden gaffe. Would Israel have suffered through October 7th if America didn't have an addled president in the White House? Would Russia have attacked Ukraine? What if the United States was attacked again, like on 9/11? Would Biden be able to lead? And if he wasn't, would anyone tell us? President Trump shared this encouraging message on Truth Social, saying he and the First Lady are saddened to hear about the cancer diagnosis while wishing Joe a speedy recovery. Before the cancer announcement, Trump raised another crucial point about the deception from the Biden White House. Remember the Autopin used to issue executive orders and to preemptively pardon members of the Biden family?
We're going to bring everyone that we believe was involved in any role in the use of the Autopin. We want to find out who was actually making the decisions in the White House during the last 9 months of the Biden administration when he was clearly in mental decline.
Proverbs 12:22 tells us the Lord detests lying lips, but he delights in people who are trustworthy. The Democrat Party has betrayed the public trust. It propped up a man it knew was unfit, and the media lied to you for asking about it. The Democrat Party's moral decline has reached stage 4. It's deep in the bones of every institution the Democrats touch. From Israel, for the Real Life Network, I'm Daniel Cohen.